How to install your Nexxt home Wi-Fi smart solar camera. First, make sure you have all the necessary parts at hand. Charge the camera with a 5-volt 1-amp power adapter for at least 2 hours before proceeding with the installation to ensure maximum battery life for the first use. Step 1. Take the camera mount and turn its front part counterclockwise to release the plate that will be fixed to the wall. Step 2. Place the wall mount plate in the desired location and use it as a template to mark the mounting holes with a pencil. Step 3. Drill holes at the marked points and then insert the wall anchors. Step 4. Now align the mount with the holes and screw it firmly to the wall. Step 5. Reattach the mount cover by turning it clockwise onto the plate. Before tightening it completely, adjust the central screw of the mount to set the angle of the camera and the area you want the lens to cover. Once the position is defined, finish tightening the mount cover securely. Step 6. With the mount in place, attach the camera by aligning the mount tip with the hole on the back of the camera, then turn the camera to the right until it is firmly secured. Installing the solar panel. Step 1. Place the solar panel mount in the desired location and use it as a template to mark the mounting holes with a pencil. Step 2. Drill holes at the marked points and insert the wall anchors. Step 3. Align the solar panel mount with the holes and screw it firmly to the wall. Step 4. Attach the solar panel to the base by turning it clockwise until secure. Step 5. Loosen the locking nut to adjust the angle of the solar panel. Position it so it has the best exposure to sunlight for the longest period of the day. Step 6. Once you find the ideal angle, tighten the nut again to secure the orientation. Connecting the camera to the solar panel. The camera includes a rubber protective cover to keep the connection port sealed at its base. Open the small center flap to access the USB-C port. Plug the integrated USB-C charging cable from the solar panel into the USB-C port on the camera. This way, the connection between the camera and the solar panel remains completely protected from the elements. And that is it! You've successfully learned how to install your Nexxt home Wi-Fi smart solar camera.